Welcome back to Haven and Green, where timeless luxury, visionary architecture, and elevated living come together to inspire extraordinary spaces. Today, we step into a world where design is more than decoration. It becomes an experience, a feeling, and a lifestyle shaped by beauty, comfort, and effortless sophistication. Imagine entering a space where every texture feels intentional, every detail radiates calm, and every corner invites you to slow down and appreciate the atmosphere around you. Soft, natural light pours across refined surfaces, while warm, earthy tones create an environment that feels both grounded and luxurious at the same time. The balance between elegance and nature transforms ordinary living into something unforgettable. Modern luxury is no longer about excess. It is about harmony. It is about combining natural materials, organic textures, architectural precision, and curated design choices to create spaces that feel timeless rather than temporary. The most inspiring interiors and outdoor sanctuaries are designed to connect people with light, openness, and tranquility, while still delivering that breathtaking high-end aesthetic. At Haven and Green, we believe every environment should tell a story of relaxation, creativity, and elevated living. Whether it is a peaceful retreat surrounded by natural beauty or a bold architectural statement filled with contemporary elegance, great design has the power to completely transform how we experience everyday life. There is something captivating about spaces that feel effortlessly luxurious. The soft glow of ambient lighting, the contrast of warm and cool textures, the seamless blend of modern minimalism with timeless craftsmanship, all of these elements work together to create an atmosphere that feels cinematic and inspiring. These are the kinds of spaces that leave lasting impressions without ever needing to demand attention. Luxury design today is deeply connected to emotion. It is not only about how a space looks, but how it feels. The calmness of open layouts, the richness of layered materials, and the connection between architecture and nature all contribute to environments that feel peaceful, refined, and endlessly inviting. True elegance comes from balance, proportion, and intentional simplicity. As trends continue to evolve, one thing remains constant. People are searching for spaces that offer both beauty and escape, places where they can unwind, recharge, and feel inspired every single day. This new era of luxury embraces natural light, organic textures, sustainable materials, and timeless architectural forms that will continue to feel relevant for years to come. Thank you for spending time with Haven and Green. We are passionate about bringing you the world's most inspiring luxury spaces, modern design ideas, and breathtaking architectural concepts that redefine everyday living. If you enjoy immersive design, elevated aesthetics, and visionary interiors that blend comfort with sophistication, you are in the perfect place. Stay inspired, stay creative, and continue exploring the future of luxury living with Haven and Green, where every space is designed to feel extraordinary.